Hey, what's up fellas, another video for my YouTube channel, and today guys I'm gonna show you how to take the whole interior out of a 2014 Dodge Durango. Here's the interior. Make sure your interior looks like this car, exactly the same. My reason why I'm taking the interior apart is because my car got water inside, and right here this battery bay, the bay where the battery is placed, got water. My battery got bad too because the water was all the way up, so I had to replace the battery to make sure everything works. I checked and tasted everything. The seats are working, everything works, radio working. I still have some questions what's going on under the carpet, because I'm definitely sure there's water. So what we are going to do guys first is we are going to take these covers out and unscrew the bolts for the seats. This is a limited version, so I have the rear TV in the seats, so probably my seats are going to have more wires and connectors, but supposedly all Durangos are the same. So all right guys, I'm gonna start with taking the seats out. So as you see here, I have all the connectors. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna repeat on that side the same scenario as this, and then before I unplug all the connectors, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. So I just want to make sure this it's safe and I can unplug all the connectors after I disconnect the battery. The clips are here, and we got a torque, and the seat belt comes out this way here. All right guys, so front seats out, the rear seats. I assume you gotta take this out and this out, and then it's gonna have the screws. You gotta release the handle right here. So press this. So basically what you have is right here. Take this off, take that off. I don't know. Let's check out. Yeah, so you gotta probably take the connector out. That's why you have this cover here. First not here. And then we got the second one here. Right there. It's a bolt. Then the nut. Alright, got 18mm here. This comes easy out. Alright guys, before removing the seats, what you want to do is take this out. There's two 10mm screws, and then you gotta take this panel out too. And this thing has to come out before you are removing the mid-row seats. Alright guys, the panel is out. Like I said, 10mm for screws. This is out, and then that's what I'm saying. You gotta take the panel mid out, and then these are connected under that panel. So you gotta, before removing the seats, you gotta take this cover, plastic cover out. I guess I see the seat is moving. What you wanna do is all eclipses. You wanna remove this, and then you're gonna remove front one. Make sure you are lifting that one up too. See what I'm saying? Boom, boom. Comes out easily. I'm gonna take this off too. I need both hands. No, actually not. I did well. And you from here take this off, and that's it. I just connect the connector. Connector stays inside, and this panel comes out. That's it. Same thing we repeat in the front. Just gotta come easily out. Like I said, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. You can see this comes out. Let me show you something. Put this down, and then this comes out easily. Oh, here we go. So this is big one piece. Take this off, and you gotta take the seats same time together out. Next, we're taking these panels out, and then we're taking this out. Just like that, easy out. Supposedly this is something to keep in here. Supposed to be something in here, but at this moment nothing is in there. But we still have to take this off. We gotta take this off too. Just like that. And then you gotta take this. But I'm gonna show you how to take the console out now. So you definitely take this off. Alright. This one comes out easily. This comes, basically you have to lift a little bit this one on top in order to take that out. Show you. I'm gonna take this off again. Boom. Comes out. Lift up this one comes out easily. You gotta take all the connectors out. Okay. One by one. I really need 2 hands to do that, but I'll leave the camera so you can see it. Here is it. This is out. So once you take these panels and this out, we can remove the front carpets easily. So because each one is they are not attached, so as you see, you can remove it. Same with the driver's side. Take this off. Alright, this is it. That's what I'm saying. You have a clip right here. Take that off, take that panel off, remove the panel and the fit liner right there, the cover, the glove box cover under the glove box. You have to remove that too to take the carpet out. That's what I was saying, guys. I removed the carpet out. So as you see, it's all wet, and you can see here it's water. We got some coins, we got some money. Same thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the rear one, so we don't have to remove this, but we're definitely taking care of the water. So we want to make sure everything is dry. We're gonna check all the connectors. Next, we take that carpet out. We're taking this carpet out, and then we are taking the third row seats out, and then we gotta take the last part of the carpet out. All right, guys, so third row of seats, you remove these covers, and then next we are going to go in the back, right here in the trunk. This inside, this two, and then right there, two nuts. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. You gotta disconnect this right here, and probably it's good to go. Yep. Yeah, let's remove this too. Hit it, get it. If you have any questions or issues with taking this apart, text below. If you have questions how to remove the rest of the console, I assume is these things right here, the two nuts, this side and the other side, because you can see this shakes. Or you might take these off both sides and see maybe the screws are there, or bolts as well, like nuts. I also would like probably to look at it here, maybe something is there behind too. But like I said, you have questions, text below. This is the whole interior, it's out. So hopefully you guys like this video. All right, guys, so the interior is out for 2014 Dodge Durango This is a limited version with all-wheel drive and TVs in the seats. Hopefully this video was helpful to you and you liked it. Then don't forget to leave a thumbs up or a comment, subscribe, and see you next time.